Hello, dear students. Welcome to this lecture series through online classes, and this video will be available in your university portal as well as many social media platforms, especially in YouTube. In this module, this is your teacher, Professor Nirmal Kumar Swai, Department of Library and Information Science, MD University, Rohtak, Haryana. So, we'll discuss your paper information analysis, consolidation, and repackaging. Okay. So, in what is information? We have this is general background about your paper. Information, this paper invariably is taught many universities wherever this program Library and Information Science course is run. What is information? Information is defined in numerous ways. Information, one representative definition of information is it has those potentialities which can serve the human information hunger. I mean, it can be consumed. Information can be consumed as a food product also. Now, sometimes you must have seen daily those who are passionate news readers daily in the morning. If they don't find news paper, probably the whole day are disturbed as if something they are losing. They don't get any latest information about the day. So information is a kind of product which serve as a hunger filling element, rather that way. Another way information is defined, which changes the state of mind. The moment you receive a piece of information, and your entire course of action, your decision, everything are changed on the basis of that information. Okay. So many numerous ways you're in at different levels, different papers, different units, you have studied about information. But in this paper, especially for this paper, we need to understand a specific definition about information is that it is a product, and it cannot be consumed as a whole. It should be consumed as a part or partially consumed, depending upon your requirement, and at the same time depending upon the consumers also. Like a particular food, a small kid, a newborn kid, or a school going kid cannot have a food like chapati, roti, sabji like us, we adults. So for those kids, we offer them liquid foods or food in a very soft way. So similarly, information as a whole cannot be consumed. I'm citing an example. I will come to the about the paper, but I'm giving a background about the information. Suppose Ramayana or Mahabharata, So as such, Ramayana or Mahabharata as a piece of information cannot be consumed wholly or fully. It should be consumed in partially. Maybe you pick up a particular issue, maybe brotherhood, maybe hatredness, maybe land grabbing, maybe treacherous, all these qualities. On the particular basis we consume the information, and you pick up information like we used to slice from a pizza, or like you must have seen the pie chart graph. Okay, so from that entire if you consider Ramayana or Mahabharata as a whole information, we pick up or you consume a piece of pie from that entire Mahabharata information. So here it comes, information should be consumed in consolidation. In consolidation, consolidation is meaning like in a smaller form, in brief form, in a very shorter form. If you look at the definition of consolidation, short form or a brief form. Okay, what is that short form or brief form? So like a particulars of World War II. World War II can be narrated before young adults or those are studying masters or higher courses in history, and the same particular piece of information on World War can be narrated before school going children also, school going higher schools or lower schools also. So the moment you say that you must consolidate your information, what is that consolidation? Consolidation comes after analysis, information, analysis, then consolidation. Okay, so what is information analysis? What is analysis first? Before going to information analysis, it is analysis first. So in analysis is nothing but when you break into pieces a particular information, break into pieces, so that is information analysis. We'll pick up this information analysis and consolidation in greater level in our next module. Bye bye.